Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix no service on iPhone iOS 18. First, open the settings app on your phone. Look for the option cellular. Now tap on the network selection option. Make sure the toggle next to the automatic is enabled. Go back and click on the cellular data option. In this, tap on the voice and data and make sure it is set to 5G. On here, go back to the main settings page, scroll down and tap on the general again. Scroll down and tap on the date and time. Make sure set automatically is turned on. Incorrect time zone settings can sometimes cause the no service issues. Now check for the signal. If the signal is still not available, then turn airplane mode on and off. Now check for the signal. If the signal is still not available, then update iPhone. Scroll down, tap on the general. Look for the option software update and click on it. If there is any update available, then update the app. After updating, check for the signal. If the signal is still not there, then reset network settings. Tap on the general. Scroll down and tap on the transfer and reset iPhone. In this, click on the reset from the menu that appears. Click on the reset network settings and then enter your screen time passcode. At the bottom, click on Reset Network Settings. After resetting the network, now check for the signal. If the signal is still not available, then erase all content and settings. Scroll down and tap on the General again. Scroll down and tap on the Transfer and Reset iPhone. In this, tap on the Erase all content and settings and then click on Continue. Now check for the signal here. You can see the signal of the iPhone and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.